Learn about the values that Filipinos are known for.
The value of hospitality.
Have deeper understanding on this Filipino value. Hospitality means for me, it is giving the best at home to your visitors and guests. Hospitality is showing generosity and concern towards your guests or even strangers.
Well, for me, it's making your guests feel at home and making him or her comfortable.
What is hospitality?
Hospitality for me is taking care of your guests and making them feel at home.
Being welcoming. Friendly welcome to guests and visitors.
Way on how you will treat the people well, especially when I visit your house, and then they will treat it with all their heart. What do you usually do when you have a visitor?
I serve them with food and I keep my dog inside my room kasi kakaanoin sila ng aso ko.
Ask them how they are.
Kwento-kwento kami.
Play with them.
What happens when he or she is not hospitable?
I think when a person isn't hospitable, they're not approachable.
They won't be attractive to the eye of the visitors, and they won't have many friends because the visitor thinks that you're not friendly because they're not hospitable.
Gusto mo kumain? Okay. Hindi ka pa pala mainom? Wala na.
Maupo ka.
Thank you.
Gabi na.
Hello, malayo pa bahay mo. Dito ka na lang matulog.
Sure ka? Oo, hindi ba ako nakakadisturbo?
Napakalinanay mo ba?
Grabe. Thank you talaga.
Okay, kasi gabi na talaga lang ng bahay mo. Kukuha ako ng water muna para mainom mo.
Wala bang coke?
Okay ka lang. Paano yung anak mo? Sa hospital daw eh.
Kaya nga, hindi ko na alam.
Sige. Uwi na lang to. Para sa anak mo.
Pero kailangan ko pa talaga. Kulang talaga to.
Sige, ito na. Kulang ka. Kulang. Kulang pa. Okay. Kulang. Okay.
Teka lang ha, kukuha mo na ng pagkain.
Pumasok ka na.
Show me how you do. I wanna shut down the cloud with you. Hey, I heard you like the wild ones, wild ones, wild ones.
Oh, I like crazy, foolish, stupid, probably going wild, this pumping music, I might lose it, glass to the roof, how we lose it, lose it, lose it. I don't care tonight, she don't care, we like almost there, the right vibe, ready to get live, ain't no surprise, take me so high, jumping on the I'm in the crowd. Shutting down in the club where the Playboy does, till they all get loose, loose, out the bottle, we all get fit, and they get tomorrow.
Is it on?
Gotta break loose, cause that's the motto.
Uy, wag itong
Supermodels.
Ay, ano?